This is the new TECNO Spark 90 device and is priced at 78,000 naira. For this price, you're getting a 6.5 inch screen, 32 megapixel selfie camera, 4 gig of RAM, 64 gig storage, and a 5000 mAh battery. My first impression when I saw this device with Fireboy was these lenses are really big. I'm very sure it will take pretty cool pictures. Now, the predecessor of the Spark 8C was known for its extended 6 gig RAM and strong battery. Hopefully, this device will have much more to offer. But let's go straight to see what's in the box. The Spark 90, like every other TECNO phone, comes with a Type-C charger cord, an earpiece, a charging brick, an MTN data card, a 13-month warranty card, and a fancy TPU case that keeps this phone protected. Now let's go back to my review. For the design, the Spark 90 is made of shiny plastic and it reflects and has a cool look that makes it stand out. On the right, you find the volume and power button. This power button doubles as a fingerprint scanner. While on the left, you find a SIM/memory card tray. On the bottom, you find a mono speaker, a 3.5mm jack, and finally, a USB-C port. Now, I'm excited because this is the first Spark phone to have a USB-C port. Hopefully, it will have fast charging. Now, this device features a colorful 720p resolution LCD panel. This panel has a 90.2 screen-to-body ratio. It's optimized for better visual experience and refreshes at 90 Hz. Compared to the Spark 8, I would say this is a major upgrade. For the camera, the Spark 90 shoots clear and colorful photos. The 2 megapixel HD front camera has a 4-in-1 sensor that gives a better photo experience. Also, the main camera, which is a triple camera setup of 30 megapixel, takes amazing photos with good details for the price point. Videos can be recorded with the main camera from up to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. For the processor, this device comes with a MediaTek Helio G37 chipset. Combined with the memory fusion technology, you get additional 3 gig plus the 4 gig RAM, which makes this device smooth for your day-to-day use. Gaming on this device is actually good. It doesn't lag and doesn't overheat, although the graphics you get is in medium frame rate. For the battery, it packs a massive battery capacity of 5000 mAh and it takes 1 hour 20 minutes to charge fully. On the operating system, this device comes with iOS 8.6 Android 12. Now, this is a big leap because this is the first Spark phone to actually come Android 12. If you watch my old review on Spark 8C, you will notice that I complained about Android 11 on the Spark 8C series. Now, having Android 12 on this device is exciting. I'm really enjoying it. My final verdict. Now, the big question is this device worth buying? I would say yes. Now, using this device for days, I didn't have any qualms, surprisingly. I love the display. It's really, really colorful. I love the battery. It's long lasting. I even love the chipset. I could game, it didn't lag, surprisingly too. And for the price point, I think you're getting a lot. I only had one issue. I won't call it an issue. The shiny back. It's too shiny. Fingerprints everywhere, plus recording this device, making shots of it, was very stressful. But that's for me, the content creator. Anyways, if I would rate this device, I'll rate it an 8/10 because I loved it. For a budget phone, I was surprised. TECNO wowed me. I think they're trying to make a statement and I love it. So that's all, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about my review. So till next time, bye, guys.